What does a true enterprise IT system mean? To us, it means technology that needs little hardware, that's easy to deploy, and that your IT team can oversee and control from a central location. Meet our wireless communicators that we've built to achieve this and more. They are easily installed with a bracket and can be powered over Ethernet, so you don't need new cables or to close your store or have a team of installers descend on each site. What's more, you may not need to install a lot. Each one can cover 50,000 square feet and connect up to 65,000 labels to our central software that allows you to remotely change the display on your electronic shelf labels in seconds. From pricing data, to promotions, to inventory detail, and much more. There's one other important thing we need to mention, an issue that's key for all retailers: security. The communicators run on an uncongested radio frequency below 1 GHz. It's a frequency that doesn't interfere with existing Wi-Fi networks, has better propagation properties, that's totally reliable, and that critically is secure. So the signal will efficiently reach to each label and your pricing will stay confidential. Here it is then, the low-cost, easy-to-install, easy-to-manage and secure communicator that allows you to change label data in seconds, anywhere and everywhere. Whether you've one store or thousands, it's the communicator that's truly built for your enterprise.